lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am filming a makeup tutorial for you guys, and it is this orangey look that I have on right now currently. Today I wanted to film this orangey look because I'm feeling the spring vibe right now. And usually when it is springtime, I'm just really feeling the more warm and orange tone. So here I am today bringing you a nice soft orangey look. And I am using this ColourPop Dream Fever Super Shock Eyeshadow Foursome. So it comes in 4 different eyeshadow Super Shock shadows. And I created this eye look just using these 4 quads. And they're super pretty and nice. I will show you guys each how it looks like. So this one is in the shade No Promises. And it's like a nice reddish burgundy tone. I have this shade in Elixir. It's more of a nice, I wouldn't even know how to call this, like a nice transition color, that's for sure. That is what I use on my transition anyways. And then we have this beautiful one called Helio Goodbye, and it's like a nice just metallic-y shade because you can see there's some really cute specks of like yellow and green on here, so it's super pretty. And then this last one is this nice gold shade called Jinxie, and it looks like this. Super pretty, and I think it's paired really nicely with this lip as well, so I'm really digging it. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I've already done this eye. Let's go ahead and prep this next eye, and I am going in with my soft matte ochre pink pot as usual, and I'm going to pat that all over my eyes. Let's go in with some colors, and the first one I'm going in with will be this shade in Elixir. Could be my transition shade. Just gonna tap some of that on there. Just going to put that right on the crease. Nothing new here. And for the outer corner of my eye, I'm going with the darker, redder shade, and this is in the shade No Promises. Tap that and put that right on the outer corner. Put that kind of towards the inner corner as well, and also winging it out. Now going back into Elixir and just fixing the crease a little bit. And then for the center shade, I'm going in with this shade called Helio Goodbye. It's a nice sparkly shade and so pretty. I'm going in with my finger. It's so soft. Just going to tap that right on the inner corner and the center. So I am going to stop with the eyes for a little bit. Going in with my Anastasia bronzer in the shade Tawny, using my Morphe R10 brush. This is seriously the best brush for contouring. Just gonna contour my cheekbones. Take it up onto the forehead. Go ahead and add some baking underneath my contour line. Go add some of that underneath here. And I'm go into some lashes. My lashes are the Kiss Lashes in style garter. Lashes are on. And for the lower lash line, going to finish off with No Promises. It's the same shade that I have on the outer corners of my eyes. And with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, the shade Pink of Me, I'm going to put that on the lower waterline. And I'm going to add some mascara. I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. Just going to be adding some of that down here. Inner corner, I'm going to finish off with this shade Jinxie. It's a nice pretty gold shade. Use some of that into the inner corners. Go in with my Luminoso blush. I wanted to use this one because it's nice. It has a nice peachy sheen. I feel like it's perfect for this look. For highlight, I'm going in with my MAC Hyper Real Glow palette, using the shade in the center. Actually adding a little bit of this shade on the side as well. Just dipping those two in. Oh, that is super glowy. Drenching myself with highlight. The finishing piece is the lips, and I'm going in with this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Sweet and Sassy. And then finishing off with my Smashbox and Concealio primer water. Ooh, feels so nice. And this is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this look. And I have more videos coming your way, so please be on the lookout, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!